Yes, I'm back with the math class, children. Yes, we have discussed the topic. What is our last topic? Comparing numbers. Yes, we discussed comparing numbers based on two rules. Okay, children? Yes, you remember those rules? Yes, we compare numbers by counting the number of digits, and if the digits are same, we will be comparing the numbers according to the place values. Yes, you try to follow the videos properly, and then you have to work out on those problems related to each and every topic so that you can understand more betterly. Okay, children, today we are going to discuss forming numbers. Okay, in the very beginning of the chapter I have told you forming numbers, that is based on blocks. Okay, children, by seeing the blocks or pictures we will be forming a 4-digit number. How to form a 4-digit number I have told you already. Now here the same thing, forming numbers. But forming numbers of how many digits, children? Here the same 4-digit number we have to form. 4-digit number we need to form. Two numbers, that is one should be the greatest and another one should be the smallest. So we need to form two numbers, that is smallest. Okay, children, smallest and greatest number we need to form using 4 digits. Okay, yes. How to form the smallest and greatest? It is very easy, children. As you know, in the previous class we discussed about ascending and descending order. So if you know ascending and descending order, it will be very easy to form a greatest and smallest number. Let us consider an example. Let us take 4 digits, children. Okay, I will be taking 4, 2, 3 and 1. 4, 3, 4, 2, 3 and 1 are my digits. See, for example, you consider I have conducted a game. Okay, here are the scores of the 4 students. Okay, 4 students. I am considering A, B, C, D. 4 students. Okay, okay. Now I want the greatest number first or the smallest one. Okay, first I am taking the smallest one. Okay, now we need to arrange the scores from the lowest score to the highest score. I am going to arrange the scores. These are the 4 students. Okay, consider A, B, C, D as 4 students, and these digits are their scores. Okay, yes. Now I am arranging them from the lowest score to the highest score. First, who scored less points? I am asking you. Who scored, children? Among the four students, who scored less? Who had the less score? Yes, D is having less score. D scored only 1 point. Okay, I am taking 1 first. Okay, 1 I am taking first. Next, who is the next person? Yes, see, after 1, who scored less? Yes, 2. B. That means B scored less. Yes, next number is going to be 2. After 1, 2. Next, after 2, who scored less, 4 or 3? A or C? Yes, C. Okay, next number is going to be 3, children. Okay, next, what is the next? What is the highest and the last final score? Yes, A scored more points, that is 4. See, children, I have arranged the scores from the lowest score to the highest score. Okay, here I got a 4-digit number. Here I got a 4-digit number from the lowest score to the highest score. That means I arranged the scores in which order, children? Which order? Ascending or descending or small to big I have arranged the scores. So the order is ascending order, as we are arranging from the lowest value to the highest value or the smallest to the greatest. The order is considered as which order? Ascending order. As I have arranged the number in ascending order, this is going to be my smallest 4-digit number, children. Smallest, as I am arranging from the smallest to biggest. So this is going to be my 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number. Okay. This is going to be my smallest 4-digit number. See, definitely we are discussing about 4 digits. There must be 4 digits, children. Okay, that is the thing you need to keep in your mind. Okay, smallest 4-digit number. Now I want the greatest number. Yes, now I want the greatest number. As we arranged in ascending order, we got the smallest. So now we want the greatest. So the order we need to follow is Yes, you are right, children. That is descending order. Descending order. In descending order, here we follow the ascending. Okay. Now we need to follow which order? Descending order. Greatest. For greatest, we need to follow the descending order, children. So now I want the scores from the highest score to the lowest score. What is my highest score? What is my highest score, children? Yes, 4 is my highest score. 4. Next. What is the next highest score? 3. Yes. Next. Yes. 2. What is the next? And the final one is 1. Yes. What do you observe in this number, children? What do you observe? I arranged all the digits from the highest to lowest, from the greatest to the smallest digits. All the digits together, I formed a 4-digit number. That is the greatest 4-digit number by arranging the numbers from the greatest to smallest, that is in descending order. So I have got a number, greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. By which order? By using which order? Descending order. Yes. By using the descending order. So one thing you can observe here, children. What is a common thing in ascending order? If you reverse the ascending order, you are getting the descending order. When you can find the smallest number, if you reverse the order of the numbers, if you write the numbers from last to first again, you are going to get the greatest. Again, you don't need to sort out or you don't need to search for the greatest or anything. Once you find out the smallest or the greatest, any one among the two, if you find out the smallest, if you write those numbers, see 4 first here, next 3, next 2, finally 1. If you write the numbers in a reverse order, you are going to get the greatest number. Okay, this is how we write the smallest and greatest numbers using 4 digits. Okay, children? Okay, the first thing you need to search for the number. First you are writing smallest means you need to find the smallest number first. Okay, in the same way you need to arrange the numbers according to the order. Okay, next one more example, children. In the next example we will be also taking 0 here. Okay, now I am taking 6, 5, 3, 0. 6, 5, 3 and 0 are my numbers. My digits, 4 digits I am taking here. By using these 4 digits, we need to arrange. Greatest and smallest 4-digit number. Okay, here is my greatest and here is my smallest number. Yes. Now, definitely we need to have the 4-digit number. Okay. Now, first I am forming the greatest number or smallest number we should form first. Okay. Now, first I am forming the smallest number. Now, see all these 4 digits, children. Observe these digits. What is the smallest among all these 4? Yes, definitely 0 will be the smallest. Can I take 0 first? In the beginning class I have mentioned for a 4-digit number, the number will not start with 0 as 0 has no value. If you start a number with 0, that is going to be only 3-digit number but not 4-digit number, children. Okay, here the smallest one is 0, but we should not start with 0 as it has no value. If you use 0, it is not going to be the 4-digit, it is going to be only 3 digits. After 4, after 0, okay, if you leave the 0, what is the number among the 4 which is going to be the smallest, next smallest? Yes, 6 or 5 or 3. Yes, 3 is going to be the smallest. So instead of 0, you take this one. Okay, instead of 0. When you come across a 0 among the 4 digits, you need to consider the next smallest one as the first digit, children. Okay? Yes, I am going to take 3 here. Okay? Now you can take 0. Definitely you should take 0 only, not remaining digits. Okay? Now I am taking 0 here. 3, 0. Next, what is the next digit? Next smallest one, 5 or 6. As we are discussing about smallest. 5 or 6? Yes. 5 is our next smallest one. Next, finally 6 is left, so that is going to be the next number. What is that number? 3056. 3056. Okay. Now we arrange in ascending order. As I mentioned, if you reverse the order, you are going to get the greatest. Now what is the next greatest number? Yes. 6, right children? In the case of 0, if you take 0, 3, if I am taking 3, 0, 0, 3 means 3 only. Now I am taking 3, 0. 3 is greater or 30 is greater, which number? 30 is greater. Yes? So, here you cannot follow that order of reversing the numbers. So here you need to check once again from the greatest to the smallest in the formation of greatest 4-digit number children. So first you need to take the greatest one, next greatest is 5 and the next greatest one is 3, not 0. Okay, you need to take definitely 3 only children. You cannot reverse the number here. Okay, next 3 is going to be our next number and finally 0. What is our greatest number? 4-digit number? 6530. 6530. Okay? Yes, this is how we form 4-digit numbers children. Okay? Smallest and greatest. Now we shall see few exercise problems so that you can understand in a better way. So now we are in the exercise 1.4 children. Yes. Now our first bit is form the smallest and greatest 4-digit numbers. Okay, forming smallest and greatest. So here I have written S for smallest and G for the greatest children. Okay, yes. Now see, here are our 4 digits 0, 2, 1, 7. By using these 4 digits, we should form smallest first. Okay, first smallest. Which order we need to follow? Which order? Ascending or descending? Yes, ascending order. We need to arrange these 4 digits in ascending order first, so that we will be getting the smallest one. Now, what is the smallest number among the 4 digits children? 0, 2, 1 and 7? Yes, 0. Can we write 0 as we are discussing about 4-digit number? So can we write 0 first? Yes, we cannot write 0. Now we have to see the next step. What is the smallest number among remaining 3? Among the remaining 3, what is the smallest number? 2, 1 and 7? Yes, 1. Instead of 0, we need to take 1 first. Next, immediately we should take 0 only. Now, 1 after 0. 1 and 0 have completed. Now, next 2 and 7 are here. What is the smallest one? Yes, 2. We need to take 2. And finally, 7. The smallest number using these 4 digits is 1027. 1027. Okay. Now we need the greatest number. Again, we should see the digits only children, because we can't arrange in the reverse order as we are having 1 0 among the 4 digits. Okay. Definitely you need to go through the digits. Now see, what is the greatest one? 0, 2, 1 and 7. What is the greatest one? Yes, 7 is our greatest number. First we need to write 7. Okay. Next, among 0, 2 and 1, what is the greatest one? As 7 is completed, now we need to see remaining 3 digits only children. Okay, among these 3, 2 is the greatest one. Next, 7 after 2 we need to write. Next, after 2, 1. And finally, 0. Okay, one thing you can observe, 7 and 2 reversing is same as it is, but here in the case of first 2 digits, it is different children. Okay, we are interchanging the digits. Okay, 1 we are writing first and 0 at last to get the greatest value. Okay, next 8, 9, 6, 0. 8, 9, 6 and 0. By using these 4 digits, we need to form the smallest. Same method, same order. What is the order we need to follow here? Ascending. Okay, for the greatest, descending. Now ascending order. Ascending order means first smallest one. As 0 is also here, now we cannot take 0. Instead of 0, we need to take the first one. What is the smallest number? Yes, 6 we need to take first. Okay. After 6, 0 immediately. Then after 8 or 9? Yes, 8. And the leftover number 9 we need to take. And our smallest number is 6089. 6089. Now next we have to do the greatest one. For the greatest, we need to take the greatest number among the 4 digits. 8960. What is the greatest number? 9. Yes, we need to take 9 first. Then after 9, 860 are left. Among these, 8 is the greatest one. So next after 9 we need to take 8 and 8 and 9 are completed. Now 6 and 0 are here. What is the greatest one among 6 and 0? Yes, 6. And finally 0. Okay, the 4-digit number, greatest 4-digit number formed is 9860. 9860 is our greatest 4-digit number. Okay, this is how you need to form the 4-digit numbers, children. If you are having 4 digits and if you have one 0 in that, you need to follow this method. Okay, yes. Go through the remaining problems. Now next bit. This is fill in the blanks, children. Now see greatest 3-digit number. First you need to answer these 2 blanks and then after you need to do the difference. As you know, what is difference? What is difference, children? Addition or subtraction? What you will be doing to get the difference? Yes, definitely we need to do subtraction. Okay. First we need to write what is the greatest 3-digit number. What is the greatest 3-digit number, children? Yes, 3-digit number smallest is 100. As 3-digit number starts from 100. So the greatest will be 999. Okay. Smallest is 100. Greatest is 999. Okay. Next. So what is our answer? Here we are asking greatest 3-digit number. So this is our answer. You need to write it here. 999. Greatest 2-digit number, children. So greatest 2-digit numbers. What is the smallest 2-digit number? First number is 10. So greatest is, what is the greatest? 99. Okay, the answer is 99. Now we need to find the difference. See, children, for difference we are having 2 numbers here, 999 and 99. So which one we need to write first? 99 or 999? So always in subtraction we need to write the bigger number first and next we need to subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. So the bigger number is 999. Okay, as we are doing subtraction, the symbol will be minus. Okay, 999 minus 99. Now we shall do the subtraction. Yes, 999. So place values 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. Whenever you do addition or subtraction, definitely you need to write the place values above the numbers. Okay, children. Now minus. What is the number? From where we need to write the 99, children? See, 99. 1's place, 10's place. So under 1's place and 10's place only we need to write, children. Okay? Yes. 1's place, 10's place. Okay, here no digit is there here, so we cannot write anything here. Okay? Yes. Now do subtraction. So now 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9. What is 9 minus, children? 9 minus 9? Yes. 9 fingers. I am subtracting 9 out of 9 again. See? What is left over? Anything is left? Yes. 0. Okay? 9 minus 9 is 0. Now again, 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9 again it is, yes, 0. Okay, when you subtract the same number, okay, when you subtract a number from the same number, you are getting the answer, the answer you will be getting is 0. Now next, nothing is here. Okay, directly 9 you need to write here. So what is the difference? What is the difference? 900. When you subtract the greatest 2-digit number from the greatest 3-digit number, you are going to get 900. Okay, children? Yes. Now in the next session we will be discussing successor and predecessor, children. Okay, follow the video and try to work out on the exercise problems. Thank you.